Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And today we're going to be looking at how you're completing your Newt model here in the next task and looking to understand how we apply our 5 trait labels to our Newt model and how we're going to be completing the next task to show and explain the changing Newt population. Now, when you go to the next task, we're going to break down how to complete it. So make sure you come back to your survey and put your X in whatever row you are and reach out if you need help. So in task number 7, you're going to start by adding a Google Draw to your drive. And once you have it in your drive, you're then going to be dragging and dropping different things to create the model that you'll need to screenshot in this section and then answer this question about what you see in your model. So we're adding the model to our drive, screenshotting what we do in the model, answering this question about the model. Now, when you add it to your drive, it's going to look something like this. Your model is going to have 4 different histograms that chronicle the population of newts and how they've changed from 200 generations ago to today. Your job is going to be to add our 5 trait labels to all 4 of these histograms to show these 4 and 5 important things. Now, let's take a look at these. In each of the 4 histograms, you're going to need to tell me which newts are most likely to create offspring by adding the O+ icon above whatever traits for our newts that you feel will lead to large amounts of offspring being created in this environment. You're going to do that for all 4 histograms, and then you're going to decide, looking at the O minuses, which ones are least likely to create offspring. You'll do the same thing, telling me which ones, putting it above whatever traits you feel will lead to less offspring being created. And then once you have all 4 done, you'll then come to the S's. S+ is which one is going to be most likely to survive. So you'll put the S+ above those. And then you'll come to the S-. And those are the newts that are least likely to survive. So you'll put that above the newts for all 4 histograms that you believe are least likely to survive in their environment. The last one is a new one, and this is the orange one, the mutation occurring. Your job is to drag and drop the orange M's above whatever traits are mutations that you can see in any of the 4. You might have an M in all 4. You might have an M in only 2. You might have an M in only 1. But you need to analyze our histograms here and decide, are there any mutations? Do we see them? And where are they throughout the 4 histograms? So again, you might have them in 3. You might have them in only 2. You might have them in only 1. But anywhere you see a mutation has occurred, you'll put our orange M. So that's how you complete our Newt histogram model. You'll screenshot this, as we said, and then you'll put it in here and answer the question about what you see happening in the histogram. So that's how we apply our 5 trait labels and how we complete the next task to show and explain the changing newt population. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.